चाहता है, दिल चाहता है, दिल चाहता है, कभी न बीते चमकीले दिन। दिल चाहता है हम न रहे कभी यारों के बिन। दिन दिन भर हो प्यारी बातें, झूमे शामें गाए रातें, मस्ती में रहे डूबा डूबा हमेशा समा। हमको राहों में यूं ही मिलती रहे खुशियाँ। दिल चाहता है कभी न बीते चमकीले दिन। दिल चाहता है हम ना रहे कभी यारों के बिन।
चमकाते हैं चिलचिलाते हैं अपने रास्ते, ये खुशी रहे रोशनी रहे अपने रास्ते। चमकाते हैं चिलचिलाते हैं अपने रास्ते, ये खुशी रहे रोशनी रहे अपने वास्ते।
जहाँ रुके हम जहाँ भी जाएं, जो हम चाहें वो हम पाए, मस्ती में रहे डूबा डूबा हमेशा समा। हमको राहों में यूं ही मिलती रहे खुशियाँ। दिल चाहता है कैसा अजब ये सफर है, सोचो तो हर एक ही बेखबर है। उसको जाना किधर है, जो वक्त आए जाने क्या दिखाए। चाहता है कभी न बीते चमकीले दिन। दिल चाहता है हम ना रहे कभी यारों के बिन। दिन दिन भर हो प्यारी बातें, झूमे शामें गाए रातें, मस्ती में रहे डूबा डूबा हमेशा समा। हमको राहों में यूं ही मिलती रहे खुशियाँ।
चमकाते हैं चिलचिलाते हैं अपने रास्ते, ये खुशी रहे रोशनी रहे अपने वास्ते। चमकाते हैं चिलचिलाते हैं अपने रास्ते, ये खुशी रहे रोशनी रहे अपने वास्ते।
Birthday, Daddy. You're 40 now.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday,
Subhash.
Subhash.
So Subhash, yeah, you know, from the Vanyawalas to you, I wish you a very, very happy 40th birthday. And we go back in time and remember the days when we used to live together in Grand Blanc, and those evenings that we used to have together, the food that we used to enjoy, and those impromptu movies that we would watch together with the family. That was really, really nice. And after having met you in Sunnyvale, California, in the last few years, I can just say that, you know, you epitomize an ideal husband, and who can come into any role that is placed in front of him. And I can just say that Sudha is very lucky to have you, and you have two blessed kids as well. So from us all, wish you a very happy 40th birthday. Over to the rest of my family.
To my favorite cricketer uncle, happy birthday. I loved having you as a neighbor. We have your best neighbor award because it's a great memory we have of you. And yeah, happy birthday.
Hey Subhash uncle, thank you so much for having me when I was in California. You guys are my family, and leaving was one of the most painful moments I remember was like when you guys left my apartment and were driving away. You guys made me feel so at home in California, and I love and miss your cooking so much, and spending time with you guys and watching Telugu movies together. And Subhash uncle, you're such a kind person, and you're so positive all the time. You have the ability to change anything negative into positive. And really, really miss you guys. Hopefully you can visit soon. And happy birthday. Continue being the exact same person you are. Keep smiling. Keep bringing positive energy into everyone's lives, and being the sunshine that you are. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Subhash and Sudha. I would say that we were very lucky to have you guys as our neighbors. That is my best memory, and you gave us this, but I want to give this to you, that you were the best memory, best neighbors for our life. So God bless you, and have a wonderful birthday.
I really wish that you get a transfer to Michigan and you come and stay with us again, so that we can be together again. And yep, I think those were the best times when we used to have so many evenings together, almost every other day, every other alternate days. And actually today is Diwali, and I remember the time that we used to put those lamps outside our apartment, and we were actually penalized for that.
Yes,
Somebody gave us a notice that we could not put those lamps. So happy Diwali to you also from all of us.
Yeah.
So take care and have a very healthy and a very happy and a very successful life ahead.
Yes.
Hope you have an amazing birthday. Bye.
हाय हाय सुब्स, तू भी पहुंच गया? अब सुधा ही बची है. वेलकम टू 40. वेलकम टू द क्लब. Happy 40th Subhash. Wish you have a great celebration today. How I wish we are in the same city together today to celebrate this milestone of yours. कोई बात नहीं. We'll do it soon. May all your dreams come true. Hope you have a great 40th with your dear wifey, with your loved children and your dear friends around. Stay blessed, stay cheerful, just stay the way you are. Loads of love to you. Once again, a very happy birthday to you. See you soon. Loads of love.
Happy 40th birthday, Subhash uncle. Have a great day, and I hope you could have met in person. I could have wished you in person. Also, happy Diwali. And hi to Sudha auntie, and love to Reva and Vihan. Bye.
Bye.
Hey, hi Subhash. Wish you a very, very happy 40th birthday. I cannot believe that you're 40. I always think of you as our contemporary. I think you're super young. I just love the energy with which you always talk. The smile on your face makes you look much, much younger, probably younger than me. So that's amazing. I hope you keep smiling. I hope you stay happy all the time and just as energetic. That's one thing that I look up to you a lot for. Like, how do I maintain such high energy, such happiness throughout life? And when I'm 40, and if I'm like 1/10 as energetic as you, I think that would be a great success for me. You keep smiling, stay energetic, stay strong, stay safe, and I think you are one of the most happy persons I know, and I hope that continues to stay. Happy birthday again. Happy 40th. Bye-bye.
Hi Subhash, many happy returns of the day, and wishing you a happy 40th. You always have brought a lot of joy, a lot of energy. I remind myself about the cricket, wicket keeping, your excited calls, your encouragement, and all the fun. And there was never a dearth of jokes about being late or having fun with you around. So I hope you are doing the same and have a great, successful journey ahead. Wishing you a very happy 40th and many happy returns of the day. Bye, Subhash.
Hello, dear Subhash. Janmadina Subhakangshalu. Wishing you a safe, joyful, and prosperous year ahead and beyond. You have been an absolutely strong pillar in my India journey over the last 8+ years. And I know that there are many more adventures for us to share. Looking forward to it. Your cheerful enthusiasm, contagious laughter have given us so much joy and happiness. Thank you so much. Lots of love to you and the whole family. Once again, happy 40th birthday. Rock on, brother.
Hi Subhash, a very happy 40th birthday to you. Stay blessed always and have a wonderful year and life ahead. Best wishes to all of you.
Subhash Mama, పుట్టినరోజు శుభాకాంక్షలు. Lots of love.
S for స్నేహశీలత, S for సహృదయం, S for స్ఫూర్తి ప్రదాత, S for సహాయకుడు, S for సమవర్తి, S for సహవర్తి, S for సౌభ్రాతృత్వం, S for సర్వమానవ సమానత్వం, S for సుభాష్ చంద్ర. Happy birthday, buddy.
Hi Subhash, many happy returns of the day. Hope you have a wonderful 40th birthday. And I'm glad to have a friend like you, and you know, you're one of my best friends. And one thing that I like about you is that you're never afraid to try out something new or to get out of the comfort zone and then, you know, be adventurous and try something. So keep up the good work that you've been doing. And I was just remembering some of the memories that we shared. I know we, not just during the BTech college and then not just Deloitte, and in fact we were working in the college after graduation also, you know, from there, and it was such a wonderful time that we had during that time, just two of us, and then we both were preparing for Deloitte and then got through. So that was one of my favorite memories. And then one more funny memory that I want to share, I'm sure everybody knows about that too, is your Perl project demo. Professor Sangal was so impressed that he ended up giving you a job in LTRC also. So that's even now when I remember that, I can't stop laughing. And another thing that I wanted to share was about, remember you were collecting funds for drought in Rajasthan and you ended up giving it to floods in Assam. So you took so long that you actually, whatever you did was useful for the next disaster. So, and one more thing that I wanted to remember was, I know we all went to picnic to Nagarjuna Sagar in first year or something. I know you're part of some mess committee and you were organizing. So right from the breakfast until dinner, you were planning for it. And then I remember making omelets and veggie omelets, tomato omelets in the morning. And then that day I saw all different moods of Subhash, right from the morning 5 a.m. where you started making this breakfast, and at 10 p.m. when you promised us, all of us, to take to that Papaji the Daba, and then, you know, after going there, building after all that appetite, and you say like, no, the food is not good. But what do you mean, Subhash, food is not good? You said అది మొత్తం అంత సూక అయిపోయిందిరా ఏంట్రా తింటావా and then you made us go back to canteen and eat at the college. So you still owe me dinner at Papaji's Dhaba, and I've never been to Papaji's Dhaba. Okay, so next time when we meet in Hyderabad, I don't know whether it's still there or not, so you're gonna take me there for dinner. Okay, keep going, keep rocking. You're just 40, so not even halfway mark there, so just keep going, keep rocking. Have a wonderful birthday.
Wish you happy 40th birthday, Subhash. Can't believe it has been 22 years since we met. I have lots and lots of fond memories working with you in IIIT on lots of different cultural activities. I remember working together for the first Felicity, organizing different activities like August 15th and so on. I distinctly remember we practicing for a skit which was organized in the mess of the old boys hostel during our third year, and lots of things. So I always remember you as someone who has a lot of energy to do lots of things and organizing a lot of activities. So happy birthday again and all the best.
బోసుబాబు నీకు 40వ పుట్టినరోజు శుభాకాంక్షలు. వెల్కమ్ టు ద 40s క్లబ్. మనము 2002లో కలిసినప్పటి నుంచి ఎన్నో మూమెంట్స్ పంచుకున్నాము. మన చర్చలు విపස්සన గురించి, దేశ రాజకీయాల గురించి, ప్రపంచాన్ని ఎట్లా మార్చాలని, డెలాయిట్ క్రికెట్ టీంలో కలిసి ఆడినప్పుడు అన్నీ తలుచుకున్నప్పుడు ఎంత సమయం గడిచిపోయింది అనిపిస్తుంటుంది. సరే, ఇక రాబోయే రోజులు సంవత్సరాల్లో కూడా నువ్వు సంతోషంగా ఆరోగ్యంగా ఉంటూ ఇంకా ఎన్నో విజయాలను పొందాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాను. నా బెస్ట్ విషెస్ బోసు. ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్.
వింటర్ వచ్చేసింది ప్రసాద్, బజ్జీలు తినాలనిపిస్తుంది.
రేపు ఆఫీస్ నుంచి వస్తున్నప్పుడు సుభాష్ వాళ్ళ ఇంటి దగ్గర దిగిపో, నేను కూడా అక్కడికి వచ్చేస్తాను. సర్ప్రైజ్ అనేసి బజ్జీలు కుమ్మేద్దాం.
సూపర్ ఐడియా. సాటర్డే పొద్దునే లేచేసావేంటి ప్రసాద్?
వాలీబాల్ సుభాష్ వెయిట్ చేస్తుంటాడు. చిన్ను, ఒక ట్రిప్ స్టార్ట్అప్ చిన్ను, వాడు ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్ కోసం చూస్తున్నాడు.
సుభాష్ రివ్యూ చేశాడా?
నేను చూస్తున్నాను డాక్యుమెంట్స్.
సుభాష్ రివ్యూ చేశాడా?
హే సుభాష్, హ్యాపీ 40th బర్త్డే. మీరు సన్నివేల్ మూవ్ అయినప్పుడు ఐ డిడ్ నాట్ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ దట్ విల్ హ్యావ్ సో మెనీ థింగ్స్ ఇన్ కామన్. It's been really nice knowing you and sharing all those memories with you.
మీ ఎనర్జీ చాలా ఇన్ఫెక్షియస్ సుభాష్. మీరు ఇంకో 6 years కూడా ఇలానే ఇంతే ఎనర్జీ అండ్ ఎంతూజియాజంతో ఉంటారని కోరుకుంటూ మాకు బజ్జీలు చేసి పెడతారని ఆశిస్తూ
Many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday!
Hey Subhash, wish you happy birthday, Ra. I know it's a 40th birthday, milestone birthday. It's a big one. I've been thinking about all the times we have spent together. I recall we started our careers at Deloitte, and then we used to have so much fun in the cabs going to the office. I recall myself, Chaitanya Yatam, Farid Mohammad. We used to travel like hour and a half to get to your place in Madhapur across the city. And then when we got there, we used to wait for another 35-45 minutes just to pick you and Sirupa up at that time. You guys used to, especially you used to get on our nerves a little bit at that time, but looking back, and I hope you're not getting on nerves on Sudha's nerves these days. But all jokes apart, I know when I look back, I mean, those are wonderful days. We used to have so much good time, even outside of work. We used to play cricket, corporate cricket. You used to wicket keep, Farid Mohammad used to bowl. I used to play all around. So it was so much good times together. I know we've spent last 20 years growing up. We were carefree at that time. Now we have families, we got married, kids and all that. But still, I want you to keep up all that gleeful happiness in your life, and have a wonderful 40th birthday. And I wish you many more success in your future. All right, take care. Talk to you later. Bye.
Hey Subhash, many happy returns of the day. I think you have always sounded wiser than your age, and now at 40 I think even the age supports it. I think I wanted to share something which I've never shared before. You have always felt like a big brother, a friend, somebody who always brings calm and optimism and positivity to anything and any situation, no matter what's going on, and that's so refreshing. So I love, just talking to you, no matter when and how that happens. And I wish you the very best to another decade of success, happiness, and a lot of fun. So have a blast, man. Cheers.
Hi Chindu, a very happy birthday. I'm really happy that you're turning 40 and I'm not yet. So Scorpio, again, a very happy birthday. సో చందు నేను ఎక్కడ కలిసాము అంటే 10th క్లాస్లో, బిఫోర్ అవర్ స్కూల్ రియలీ స్టార్టెడ్. రోజు డాబా పైన తిరుగుతుంటే మా ఎదురుకుంట డాబా మీద ఎవరో వన్ టాల్ గాయ్ చాలా కష్టపడి ఎక్సర్సైజెస్ తెగ చేసేస్తున్నాడు. అండ్ హీ వాజ్ న్యూ అండ్ వీ డిడ్ంట్ నో హూ హీ వాజ్, అండ్ చాలా కష్టపడుతున్నాడు, చాలాసేపు చేస్తున్నాడు, ఏంటి ఇంత కట్టింగ్ కొడుతున్నాడు అని చెప్పి చాలాసేపు నవ్వుకున్నాము. కట్ చేస్తే 2 days తర్వాత క్లాస్లో కనబడ్డాడు. నేను మాట్లాడలేదు చందుతో ముందు, బికాజ్ యూజువలీ ఇన్ స్కూల్ ఏజ్ యూ విల్ గివ్ వార్మ్ విషెస్ టు ద న్యూ పీపుల్, బట్ నాకు భయం వేసింది అనమాట. ఆ రోజు నవ్వడం చూసాడేమో, ఇంకా అడుగుతాడేమో అని చెప్పేసి ఐ నెవర్ రియలీ స్పోక్ టు హిమ్ ఫర్ ద ఇనిషియల్ ఫ్యూ డేస్, బట్ దెన్ హీ స్టార్టెడ్ టాకింగ్. సో మాట్లాడి దెన్ వీ రియలీ బికేమ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. తర్వాత మాకు చిన్న గ్యాంగ్ ఉండేదన్నమాట, గ్యాంగ్ ఆఫ్ 4 people. So we really became close to each other, and I'm really happy that we share a brother-sister relationship, and I really cherish that. And I know that you are always there for me. ఒకవేళ 6 months మనం మాట్లాడకపోయినా కూడా when I call you, I know that I will pick up things where we left off. So I really cherish this relationship for the past 25 years. ఇంకా చెప్పాలి అంటే he's very hardworking. 10th class final examsలో I needed some book or some paper, I don't remember. So నేను వాళ్ళ ఇంటికి వెళ్ళాను అనమాట ఫైనల్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ మధ్యలో, where he just finished cooking. He was at his uncle's place. So వాళ్ళకి ఏదో అర్జెంట్గా బయటకు వెళ్తే they had a really month-old baby. So he just finished cooking and he was ఉయ్యాలో ఊచుతూ and in one hand, and the power was off. So there was a candle light, and ఒక చేత్తో బుక్ పట్టుకొని ఒక చేత్తో ఉయ్యాలు ఊచుతూ, and he was reading for his final exams అనమాట. Reading that book for the final exams. So I was like amazed, and that was an eye-opener for me, because ఇలా కూడా రెస్పాన్సిబుల్గా ఉండొచ్చా ఈ ఏజ్లో. బికాజ్ 10th class ఏదో ఫైనల్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ చేసి మనం ప్రపంచాన్ని ఉద్ధరించినట్టు పేరెంట్స్ మనని సపోర్ట్ చేయాలి, ఎవ్రీడే ఇలా నేను కష్టపడిపోతున్నా అనుకునే టైప్లో ఉన్న నాకు that was an eye-opener for me. సో ఇలా కూడా రెస్పాన్సిబుల్గా ఉండొచ్చు. అండ్ I mean, from that time on, I'm only seeing only growth in him. So time by time, and he's a hardworking, still down to earth. He's the same old Chindu I met 25 years ago, and I'm real, and that's the reason I feel he is where he is. He really gives value to friendship and relationships. We really had a good time back then, and whenever we met, actually. ఇదే కాకుండా fun times, and we used to gossip a lot, not just about the students, some of the friends, but also some of the teachers. Not in a wrong way, but మా గాసిప్లంతా వాళ్ళ దగ్గర ఏదో ఎక్స్ట్రా మెటీరియల్ ఉంది చదివేస్తున్నారు, మనకి చెప్పట్లేదు, ఆ టీచర్స్ పార్షియల్గా ఉన్నారు, మనం ఎట్లా అయినా కొంచెం కాంపిటేటివ్గా ఉండాలి, and all the math tug of wars we used to have and all that. So yeah, I still remember all the stuff we had, all the things we did. And ఇది కాకుండా నాకు ఒక అన్ఆన్సర్డ్ క్వశ్చన్ అయితే ఉంది. ఏంటి అంటే, సీతాలక్ష్మి జడ వెనక బెంచ్ నుంచి కట్ చేసింది నువ్వా కాదా? ఒకసారి నేనే అంటావు, ఒకసారి కాదంటావు, ఒకసారి నా పక్కవాడంటావు. సో ఐ నీడ్ సమ్ క్లారిటీ. ఎప్పుడు ఇన్నాళ్ళలో నాకు క్లారిటీ రాలేదు. సుధా, నువ్వు కనుక్కో, కట్ చేసింది తనా కాదా వెనక బెంచ్లోంచి సీత జడని? నువ్వు కనుక్కొని నాకు చెప్పు. I'll call you guys later. Have a great day again, Chandu. Take care. Bye-bye.
Hey Subhash, a very happy birthday to you. One word that I would use to describe you is irreplaceable. I have had several bosses, several mentors over the course of my life, but hands down, you're the best. The compassion, empathy, and also the passion and rigor you bring to the job creates this amazing aura around you that inspires a lot of people. And please keep doing that. This world needs a lot of that. One of the best moments was when I got my admit letter from HPS. I called my parents, and the second call I made to you, I was glad that I was able to share that moment with you. Just a 2 or 3 minute conversation, just talking about how amazing the journey was so far. A funny and an embarrassing story I really can't recall, but I think it was once when we were off to a business trip in Patiala in Punjab, and there was this whole dynamic between the cab driver, the Sarkari officials, and like you and me, and it was really weird. He was driving through dense fog, he couldn't see anything, and we were really afraid. So that was like one of the most like funny or embarrassing things I remember. But again, like, a very happy birthday to you, and hope to see you soon quickly.
Happy birthday, Subhash.
Many happy returns of the day, Subhash.
I wanted to say congrats on a great year, a new house, a new job.
And entering the 40-year-old club. It's an amazing club, so welcome to it.
When we think of you, two main things come to mind. One is that you're a social butterfly. You're the main reason why we have a social life. You've been since undergrad, when you and Subarna used to organize all these movie trips and other social activities. You've always been the person who brings people together. And we are very thankful for having a friend like you. And that's the reason why we even have a social life.
Yeah, and even the 20th year Triple ID celebrations, you're the one who drove it so amazingly well. So as Rupa said, we are very thankful to have you you're the one who makes our social life what it is. So thank you for that.
The second thing is, of course, your amazing cooking skills. We have been really missing it, especially during this last 6, 7, 8 months. And we are looking forward to COVID ending so that we can taste your wonderful food again.
Yeah, the Vare Va chef experience is something we are missing. I think the last time we met, we experienced your exquisite cooking was during Kalyan's birthday. And before that was the 7-course meal when we were in Joshua Tree. We did like 7-course meal, and also there was this perfectly spherical ice cream scoops. I've never seen that before. So we are all looking for, as Rupa was saying, once the COVID is over, we are looking forward to experiencing that again. And of course, that's also part of the social thing of getting together and experiencing a fun time. And lastly, another thing that comes to my mind is the Rangila dance. Now, I have a special request. Let's make sure we get it on tape this birthday. So let's do an encore performance. Let's get it on tape, and let's so that we all remember those exquisite moves that Subhash had and regaled all of us with during the many years of undergrad.
So I've heard a lot about this and I really want to see this. So yeah.
It's a treat for the eyes.
Okay, so happy birthday once again. I really hope that you have a wonderful 40th year and the next decade.
Yep, a happy birthday once again and congratulations.
Hi Subhash. Can't believe we have known each other for 22 years already. The 4 years that we all spent at IIIT have been very memorable. Be it playing cricket, soccer, movie nights, and finally the weird Dumb Charades episodes. For people who don't know about this, ask Subhash about Rangila and Fire. He also had a nickname for this. Anyway, buddy, happy 40th birthday. Go change the world.
Hey Subhash, you are a Mr. Entrepreneur, Mr. Startup. Your energy on the volleyball court, your flexibility is commendable. Thank you for always being honest on the court and teaching us the rules of the game. Congrats on completing 4 decades in life. Wish you many more decades to come. Happy birthday.
Hey Subhash, happy birthday.
Happy birthday Subhash, 40th it seems, really too much.
तो 40 साल का हो गया बे, finally.
I swear,
That's how weird you are.
सुधा यहाँ होती तो तेरे लिए वापस एक सरप्राइज पार्टी ऑर्गेनाइज करती in Little Italy. मजा आ जाता.
Dude, we miss you here, man. Big time. Have a fabulous day, fabulous year. I'm really happy you're finally getting on to the startup world and cracking it out there. Well done on Y Combinator. Really proud of you. Awesome. Well done, buddy.
Well done, Subhash. So proud of you. I hope in a couple of years when you all come back, we can celebrate your 40th all over again. And this has to be an occasion or an opportunity for us to just आपकी तारीफ में 2 शब्द कह सके हम लोग. It's really something that you've earned it, you deserve it. But I can never thank you enough for being that pal, friend to our kids. Vani and Gautam found their comfort zone in you so quickly before they made friends with other uncles and aunties in the colony, and you had that vibe or that quality to connect with them on the topics they liked. So that is an amazing quality about you.
And everybody at my home therefore also has the same memories about their respective children. You're a star, dude.
And one more thing, Subhash, I'll always remain indebted to you for giving up on your seat and allowing me to enter ISB and allow me to see Amir Khan in person. I can never ever thank you enough for that gesture. Such a spontaneous gesture, and you may think it was not a big deal and kaun Amir Khan ko sunega, but I know it was a big deal because you almost had your seats reserved. You gave it up for me. Big thank you.
And big cheers to Sudha and the kids. Well done, guys. Great show as usual. I'm sure you're organizing something really special for Subhash, so that's fabulous.
We're missing it, and have a lovely time in your new house. Rock it.
Send us all the videos, send us all the photographs. We'd love to see all that. Take care, buddy.
Have a good health and
Have
a good
fabulous
life.
next 40.
Well done, Sudha. Well done, bachas. All the best, Subhash. God bless you.
Take care, buddy.
Happy birthday.
Hey Subhash, happy 40th birthday. I recall our moments in IIIT when, you know.
Hi Subhash uncle.
Okay. Do you
Hi
want?
Subhash uncle.
Happy 40th.
Happy 40th birthday.
Very good. Yeah.
And happy birthday. Bye.
Yeah, Subhash, I still recall our IIIT days when, you know, you would just come and give very sincere, very open and honest suggestions. I always thought of you as Mr. Reliable, Mr. Very grounds to earth. And at the same time, I just love how you support everybody with whatever you can, you know. I remember still when we were moving to India, you told us, hey, you should go to IIIT as a convocation speaker. truly, and then I still remember, when I got my GMAT score and I told you, hey, I got 710, you said, 710 is okay, but you should have gotten 720. You had this really good way of telling, giving constructive feedback, giving the very frank feedback, but with a very sense of, realism and care for the other person. So thank you so much, Subhash, for, just being there to help and give lots of guidance as always. Happy 40th birthday again.
Hi Subhash, happy birthday. Welcome to the 40s Club. You're in good company here. Sudha gave us some pointers on what to include in this video message. I think I'm gonna skip straight to the fun stories part. There's plenty of material here, but at the risk of beating a dead horse, I think I'll have to go with your famous Rangila dance. For those who didn't get to witness it, this was back in undergrad 20 years back or so. We were playing dumb charades and Subhash was supposed to enact the Bollywood movie Rangila. I'm assuming many of you know this. It had Amir Khan and Urmila Matondkar and was kind of bold for those times. So Subhash had an interesting take on it, and let's just say it was quite seductive. It was so seductive that we kept on giving him the same movie again and again and pretended not to know the movie so he could act it out again and again. We had a ton of fun times like that with him. Subhash, I really appreciate you as a friend. Wish you again a very happy 40th birthday, and let's celebrate in person sometime soon. Cheers.
Happy birthday, Subhash. Have a great time.
Enjoy.
Hi Chandu, happy birthday. Word that comes to my mind when I think about Chandu, Musaloda. I'm coming there, man, but I'm still 1 month younger than you. Yeah, in all seriousness, when I think of Chandu, I think of laughing, smiling, dancing Buddha. You exude energy and peace at the same time. And, having somebody like you by my side as a friend has been so good, right? Coming to our memories, Ekkarstad Chiyali. I met you in, I think, 96 when I joined Nalanda. This guy, mostly with an upbringing from North, trying to adjust to a hardcore South, Vijayawada lifestyle. You were instrumental, right? Poddunan lepnappudi nunchi, like, even I think I remember paste kuda brush meed pettichevadu na. I was like, who is this guy? I've never met this guy like this. And Vadi, looks are deceptive antaru kada. Looks chuste okalaga personality imagine chestuntam, but you are completely like a cupcake inside, which was a big mismatch for me. So yeah, we slowly built our bond in Nalanda, and after 1 year, I had a little bit of a rough time, and I could not have imagined that even staying there in Nalanda for 1 year without you. Tarvata Vizag elpoyanu in second year interki, and our relationship became a long distance relationship, and it was fun to write letters to each other and share stories. Appur nunchi, I think we had a lot of common set of friends, lot of common topics. Our families got along really well and close to each other. I'm really happy that in all our pivotal moments in our life, we have shared them, right? From the time when you met Sudha for the first time and you're balancing a lot of things in life at that time, to thinking about coming back to US. Should I come to US, back or not? Big life decisions. And I'm so glad that you're able to share so many things in life together. And I hope it continues like this forever. In terms of fun, embarrassing moments, man, I'll be honest. Like, you are the first one who told me. You shared the news of Reva. Which is first baby in my entire set of friends, and the emotion was, holy crap, it works. And 9 years later, you're the last one to share the news of a baby, and our emotion was still like, holy crap, it still works. So yeah, man. Animal. What animal do I think of when I think of Chandu? I had to look this up. I had to look up which animal is most resilient, which can survive an apocalypse. Apparently, it's something called a tardigrade. It's called a water bear. And I think you fit in right there, because I think no matter what life throws at you, you never forget to smile. And you don't pass on a negative energy to the people around you. And that's amazing. Oh man. Anyways, I'm looking forward to party with you. See you soon. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. You are 38 plus 2. You smell like a monkey. And you're 1, 2.
Happy birthday, Subhash uncle.
Hi Chandu, happy birthday to you. One word I can think of you is actually remote. వంశీని కొంచెం కంట్రోల్ చేయడానికి నువ్వు నాకు రిమోట్. కొంచెం బటన్స్ ప్రెస్ చేసి సరిపోతుంది అంతే. సో వన్ ఆఫ్ మై వెరీ ఫస్ట్ అండ్ బెస్ట్ మెమరీస్ విత్ యూ ఏంటంటే, మేము బే ఏరియా నుంచి యోస్మెట్టి వచ్చాము, మీరు LA నుంచి యోస్మెట్టి వచ్చారు ఫర్ ద ట్రిప్. అండ్ మా కార్ బ్రేక్ డౌన్ అయింది. మీ కార్ బాగానే ఉంది, మీరు వెళ్ళిపోవచ్చు. బట్ యూ గైస్ స్టేడ్ బ్యాక్, హెల్ప్ us get the situation sorted. Even you volunteered to come drop us back in Bay Area. అప్పుడు స్ట్రైక్ అయింది. వంశీ 10 years నుంచి చెప్తూ ఉన్నాడు హెల్ప్ అంటే చందు, చందు అంటే హెల్ప్ అని. అది ఎంత కరెక్ట్ అని అప్పుడు అనిపించింది. అసలు ఈవెన్ ఇంకా తక్కువే చెప్పాడేమో వంశీ అని అనిపించింది. యానిమల్ దట్ ఐ కెన్ థింక్ ఆఫ్ అంటే ఐ వుడ్ సే ఉడతా చందు. అంటే రాముడికి బ్రిడ్జ్ కట్టడానికి హెల్ప్ చేసింది కదా, కరెక్ట్ గా ఆ ఉడతా. అందరికీ హెల్ప్ చేస్తూ ఉంటావు. స్టే దట్ వే చందు, స్టే దట్ వే.
Hi Subhash, welcome to the Jitendra's Club. 40 plus, buddy. क्यों इतनी जल्दी की तूने? You should have stayed back, but now officially you are a खुला सांड as per the homies group. फर्क कुछ नहीं है. We don't do anything. We just call ourselves खुला सांड. But after 40, but great to be having you in the club of 40. I remember the first time I came across you in my home, and Smita had invited you for my birthday celebration at 12 o'clock. And she thought, we were great friends because we had played baddie once. But you were so enthusiastic. You got your tu tera camera leke aaya tha, and you enthusiastically were taking pictures, and it was so wonderful. And तभी मेरे को लगा ये भी अपने जैसा ही बंदा है यार. It's good to know you since then, and all of you. It's just fantastic to have you as a friend. Last time when we were in California, and the time we spent together playing volleyball and the lovely breakfast, just amazing, yaar. Wait to see you guys and see you again, and we'll definitely play more volley when we meet again. Take care, buddy. Happy birthday again. Miss you. Bye.
Dia, what do you think of Chandu Mama?
Builder.
What kind of builder?
Dollhouse builder.
Dollhouse builder. Wow. And you, Rian?
I think of Chandu Mama as a basketball player.
Oh, wow. And what do you think of if Chandu Mama was an animal? What will he be?
A unicorn.
Oh, wow. How about you? What do you think?
I think of Chandu Mama for him to be a giraffe.
Oh, wow.
Happy birthday, Chandu Mama.
Happy birthday, Chandu. Thank you everyone for the overwhelming response and sending your wishes. Thank you for wishing him good luck for his 40th. This is going to be a memory which will last our lifetime. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.